Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Today we're going to talk about what do we manufacture inside of a stainless steel factory. To start with, we have some very common items we need inside of a kitchen that is made from a stainless steel factory. For example, the preparation table is needed. We also need, from the dishwashing section, a large sink can be made with a stainless steel factory as well. For the water draining system inside of a kitchen is also being produced over here. And also, for the storage area, we also have wall shelves that is being made here. And also, the normal stainless steel shelves is also being made over here as well. Sometimes, inside of a kitchen, the space is not always going to be straight line in between. Sometimes there's walls, sometimes there's poles stopping from us to use the space to its maximum. This is why we can also customize our product into irregular shapes. This way, we can utilize the space completely inside of the kitchen. As you can see over here, you may have noticed that we have covered this whole piece of stainless steel with a sticker on here that says SUS 304. 304 is a level of stainless steel that is full contact level safety standard. If you have other requirements, for example, stainless steel 316 or stainless steel 201, you can also communicate with us and we can make the product for you accordingly. The reason why we leave the sticker on here is not only for demonstrating that we use a high level of stainless steel, but also during transportation times, sometimes the equipment will bump into each other and create scratches on top of these stainless steel boards. This is why we need to use a sticker on top to prevent it from scratching. This way, we can better protect our products during shipping times. However, we do recommend our customers to peel these stickers out once they receive the products, because if they're stationed and ready to be used, it's better to leave them peeled and leave its original stainless steel on the outside. It's better for the equipment, it's better for the tables. At INEO, we'll happily provide our product catalogs for stainless steel products, for cooking equipment, and for other items as well. If you're interested in our factory or in our products, please leave a comment down below and DM us so we can share our catalogs with you. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.